Hey everybody, it's Brenda here. How are you all doing? Goodness gracious, the snow is coming down out there. It's all white. And I am staying inside and doing some crafting. That's all I've got to say about that. So, today I am going to do a page of Margaret Miller's challenge. And this week has all been messed up. It's been a crazy week with doctor's appointments and bad weather, and it's just been crazy. So I'm doing my Margaret Miller today, even though it's late. I'm going to get it done, and I wanted to show you this is what I've done so far. I think I've done it all with you. So we are now on 4, and I have got my page out. So we have a new page. Did I say 4 or 5? We're on week 5. I don't remember now what I said. But we are on week 5, and I am just going to do a little distressing, and I will put my little hole savers, I will put those on off camera. So for today, we needed something maroon, a repeating pattern in nature, an eating or cooking utensil, something hung on the wall, a doodle, and typewriter text. So what I am starting with this morning or today is some typewriter text. So I want to cut this down. And I'll probably use this for the background. Let's see. I do want it over just a little. Alrighty. So I'll put this down as the background, and that will be okay like that. And I want to, I think I'll just tear it off right here. Distress this. Alrighty, and sorry about that. We will put this down. With some, I'm using Scotch. Scotch Create glue. Let's see if I can get this down about like this without covering my holes. A little bit here that doesn't want to stick. Okay, so this one is, of course, the typewriter text, like in that. And now we need a repeat pattern. Now to me, a repeat pattern is in nature is like any of the wildflowers or trees, or I mean just about anything to me is repeat pattern in nature. So I think I'm going to, let's see, do I want that down there? And then maybe I can put this right here. See if I can lay it out a little bit. So I have my repeat pattern. I have something that hangs on the wall. Guess I can cut this down. So something that hangs on the wall would be a picture or a clock, but do I want to cut it down some? Because I don't want to cover up all the text, so I'm just going to cut this down. I think I'll put that right up here. And this one down here. So let's get this down. I could have cut that down a little bit too, but I don't think I need to. Whoops. Probably have to take the cover off before we start gluing, wouldn't you say? Oh, such a hard time picking up stuff today. So I hope you all are doing well. I hope you're staying safe out of this huge storm we are having. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna distress this a little bit. And I'm going to put that right at the top because that's where things should hang, is up on the wall. I don't want to cover that up. Okay. And I need a utensil of some kind. So what I found was this with a few utensils on it. So we will have a spoon, a fork, might as well use them all, and a knife, utensils, and I need something hung on the wall, typewriter text, oh, something maroon, and what I got from maroon is one of these piece of trim. So where do I want my trim? I think I kind of like it like so. If I have it over there. Or do I want it over here? Kind of too dark down here, so I think I will put it right there. And use some Fabri-Tac and whoops, go right along. I don't really. Now I'm gonna put it right along here. Oh, takes forever for this to come out for some reason. Come on, you can do it. Goodness gracious. So this is going right here, like so. So I can put this right down here anywhere. I think, but before I do that, it also says we need a doodle. A doodle, so I guess I could make my own little doodle. And put it on, I guess. I am not a doodler. I'll tell you that right now. So, I don't know. The only thing that I have seen that people doodle a lot with is, I have seen someone go like this, and I don't know, but they've gone like this, like so, and then done a little like that, and then come down with a stem. I am not a doodler. So that is all I know, and that is something I saw someone else do. So I will use that as a doodle. And put that right here. My little doodle. I think I'll use this. That is all I am. I really am not a doodler. Although they say it's really relaxing to do a doodle. Do a doodle, they say. Okay. There's my doodle. And so let's see, I've got something maroon, a repeating pattern found in nature, eating utensils, something hung on the wall, a doodle, and typewriter text. Got them all. I really don't know how to take this one, but it's done. As far as I'm concerned, it is done. So let's get this on. And usually I've been paper clipping these on somehow, and I thought I would do it right here. So let me get a paper clip. Just a small one is all I need. And like I said, I'll fix the holes and put those do those later. Week number 5. Oh, you know what? I could have doodled right on that, but that's fine. Oh, where's my, oh, never mind. Never mind. I was going to do that off camera anyway. So, there we have week number 5, Margaret Miller. So the second thing I wanted to show you is I have gone and put my nature book together, and this is how I did it, and I think I like it. I'll show you that once you open your nature book, it flattens right out, and you have no problems looking through it like you do if it had the ring binder, the rings there that you use. I think I like these the way I did it. So I'm going to show you real quick how I did it. So if you guys have one, you can put yours together like this, or you know, you can go ahead and use the rings however you want to do it. But I like the way it opens up flat for you like that. And that's what it looks like on the end. And then you tie it right together. And there you have your nature book. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to set this aside and show you how I did this. So I have 3 bags here to replicate what I did there. And I only put 3 holes in instead of 5. I just want to show you guys. Now what you need to do is however many holes you have, cut your string and have it doubled, but don't tie the end, okay? But have your string about as long as you think it will take to get how many pages you have stacked up here. I guesstimated on this, and I just cut maybe that much string off, so I came real close to having what I needed. Real close. Scary close. So you want to have your string long, doubled, but don't tie the end, okay? So how you start, let me take this off. Start with your bottom page, okay? Have it like this. Of course, this would be glued down on the sides. Take your long string, doubled. Use this end that is not tied or anything. Put this end to the bottom. Put your string, both strings together. Go up through the bottom of your hole, both strings, and then you are going to open up the bottom, put the string through or trim and tighten it just like so. So that's what you end up with. Okay. I've only got one piece of string. Not smart. Oh, let's see what else I have here. You need 3 pieces of string. So I'm going to pretend that these are long enough. Oh, where is it? Let me use this. So pretend these are all the same length, okay? Because you want all your string the same length. Sorry, I may be off camera. Okay. And doubled. So hole number 2, you have your string doubled. You have the open end that goes through the hole. Okay. So we are going to do hole number 2 through, open up the bottom of your string and pull this through. So you have number 2 done. And then we are going to hole number 3. Here's my string. Here is the open end. And going through the hole, opening up the string and going through. Okay, so however many holes you have, this is what you will do in each hole. Then you take your next page, however you want to lay it. Okay, let's do it this way. Start with your number 1. Open end, go through the hole. Open up the end, pull your string through, and you have the first hole attached. Next hole, go through the opening. Open up the end, pull the string through. Hole number 3, go through the hole from the bottom. I hope I've been saying that. If not, you go through the hole from the bottom, open up, pull your string through. There is page number 2. And the last page, we will line up and we will go through the first hole the same way. Open up, pull string through, page 3. Go through the bottom, through the hole, open up, pull string through. And the third hole, through the bottom, pull through, open up, pull string through. So, say you have like 8 or 10 pages piled up here, okay? So you've got your little pages all done the same way, how you want them, okay? At the end, and I have no clue if this is right on how to finish off your weaving through. But at the end, what I did to hold it together was I took a single strand, the single strand, I put it underneath the loop right here, like so. So I threaded it through the loop so it would be on the opposite side of the other string, and then I tied a knot. So after you have all your pages together like you want to, just separate your trim, okay? Put one of them through underneath, just thread it through underneath your, the top page, like so, and then I tied it in a knot so it would not come apart. Now you could tie it in a knot, and then you could tie it in a bow if you want, so you would have each one of them have a little bow. I didn't want that on this one, so I just, after I tied a knot, I just cut the string like so, and that's what it'll end up with looking like. Now make sure, because I think this one's just a little bit loose, make sure you keep your weaving tight as you go along. And sometimes, with this trim it's easy, but with the wax thread that I used, it loosens up as you go along real easy. So trim like this stays pretty taut, but and then once you have it, see, it just opens up flat. I love it. Whoops, those should be down like that. So this is an option that you can use instead of using the big rings, and I think I like it. So I just wanted to show you how I did that. I don't remember, I think I saw it on Pinterest or something like that, and all I remember is seeing whoever was doing it do that repetitive motion, and then I don't know how they ended it off, but I thought I would give it a try. And as I went along on my little nature book, I liked the looks of it, and I thought I would just go to the end and see what it looked like and see how it felt, and I definitely was pleased with it, so I left it as is. So after that, we need to decorate. We need to put some decorations in this baby. So I just wanted to let you know how I did that. So if you guys are making this along with me, you could, make up your mind if you want to do it with rings, or you want to give this a try. Wanted to show you how to do it. So you guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay off the roads if you're in the middle of this storm, and stay warm. And I will see you next time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I will videos will come up automatically for you, new videos, and hit that bell. That's what you need to do. Sorry, you need to hit that bell, and videos will come up for you, future videos. So guys, I'm gonna let you go for now. Go rest my tongue for a minute, and you guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe and do lots of happy crafting. Bye-bye, guys.